Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a Ford F350. This is a straightforward task that significantly improves driving safety. First, ensure you have two new wiper blades that match your truck's specifications, typically around 22 inches for many models. You'll also want a clean cloth, and, for stubborn clips, a pair of needle nose pliers can be helpful. Remember, it is best to replace both blades at the same time for consistent performance. To begin, gently pull the wiper arm away from your windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You will find a small release clip or tab. Press this clip down firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the J-hook style arm. Once the blade is removed, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back down to the windshield to avoid any accidental damage. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the J-hook, pulling it firmly until you hear an audible click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to double-check that it is fully seated and will not come loose. Then, simply repeat these steps for the passenger side wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower both wiper arms back down onto your windshield. Turn on your truck and activate the wipers with some washer fluid to test their performance. Look for a smooth, streak-free wipe across the entire windshield. If you notice any issues, recheck the installation. For best visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if they show signs of wear.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.